All right, here we go, guys. This is group break 341. First off, we got to do 3 randoms on the teams to decide who gets the Canucks in the break. Those are the bonus spots at the bottom, everyone else in between. If it's a serial number, it obviously the Canucks will go serial number, and we'll fill out, you each get your number for the Canucks as well, if it happens to go to the serial filler. 3 times, guys. Team on top gets it. 1, 2, and 3. Congrats to Rob with the Ducks. Rob with the Ducks gets, just to show, 3 times, Rob with the Ducks gets them in group break 341. Congrats to you. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. Good luck. Just gonna move the keyboard out of the way. All right. Let's start with the Allure. All right, top 50, Brandon Gignac, Philippe Zadina, jersey, rookie jersey. Ryan Poling for the Montreal Canadiens, rookie. And Noah Dobson, rookie for the New York Islanders. How's everyone doing this morning? We got Eric Brandstrom for the Ottawa Senators, rookie. Taro Hirose for the Detroit Red Wings, and we got a nice one here. Ilya Mikheyev, 069 of 199, orange slice for the Toronto Maple Leafs, and a Max Jones rookie for the Ducks. Nice looking Mikheyev. Rookie Nathan Bastian for the New Jersey Devils. Guillaume Brisebois, top 50 for the Vancouver Canucks. PK Subban, white rainbow, not numbered, die cut for the New Jersey Devils. Rasmus Sandin, rookie for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Zach Senyshyn, rookie for the Boston Bruins. And Giordano base on the back. We got a rookie of Kirby Dach for the Chicago Blackhawks. Cale Fleury for the Montreal Canadiens. And we have Henrik Lundqvist for the Record, Allure for the New York Rangers. And a Trent Federic rookie auto for the Boston Bruins. Numbered 247 of 349. The show here is just between stages for the between groups, and those are 2 base, because I can only have so many people in here at a time, so there'll be a new group coming in pretty soon. We got a Philippe Zadina, rookie for the Detroit Red Wings. Trent Federic, regular rookie for the Boston Bruins. Jack Hughes, top 50 for the New Jersey Devils. Max Jones, white rainbow for the Anaheim Ducks, die-cut rookie. Nico Sturm, rookie for the Minnesota Wild. And Victor Olofsson, rookie for the Buffalo Sabres. We got Alexander Texier, rookie. Not sure what they call this parallel, but it's a parallel of some sort. Red rainbow, Tyler Seguin for the Dallas Stars. Phil Kessel base and Jake Gensel base. Ville Hanola for the Winnipeg Jets. We have a nice rookie here, green quartz, 90 of 99, Adam Fox for the New York Rangers. Adam Fox. Nikita Gusev for the New Jersey Devils. Nice Adam Fox rookie there. And final pack of Allure. We've got Open Ice, Alex DeBrincat for the Chicago Blackhawks. A nice white rainbow of Kirby Dach for the Chicago Blackhawks. And that ends off the box. Not the best box of Allure, but hopefully the Alright, let's move this base out of the way. Alright, let's do credentials next, then ice, then we'll get into SVA together. First hit is Braden Point, star of the night for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Brandon Gignac, debut ticket access for the New Jersey Devils, numbered to $9.99. And base. Credentials, rookie science for the LA Kings, Blake Lizotte, and also for the LA Kings debut ticket access, Carl Grundstrom to $9.99. Back-to-back hits for LA there. We got credentials, rookie science, Max Veronneau for the Ottawa Senators, and we got a Jamie Benn number to 199 for the Dallas Stars. Quinn Hughes, rookie science for the Vancouver Canucks, and Gerald Mayhew to $6.99 for the Minnesota Wild. Oh, I forgot there were cereal fillers in this too. New York Rangers isn't a serial filler though, is it? Sorry guys, I forgot there was a serial filler. David Gustafson, 193 of 999 for the Winnipeg Jets. Is there any numbered cards that were... Dallas was in serial filler. LA's serial filler. And New Jersey is not. Alright, so this will go to the 3 spot in the serial filler. Sorry about that. It's my bad. 3 spot is David Dana Smith. You will get that card. And this goes to the 7 spot, which is Daryl Garcia, 67 of 199. Sorry about that, guys. And if there's any inserts, what I'm going to do is put a few lots together, then I'll random them off in the serial filler thread. Thanks, Dale. Yeah, it just totally spaced out. We've got for the New York Rangers, Kako, and there's a very nice hit for the New Jersey Devils. There you go, Dale. 196 of 299. Debut ticket access, Jack Hughes. Very nice card there, very nice. Great look to it. There you go, Dale. And a Stamkos base on the back. We've got John Tavares, Star of the Night, credentials for the Toronto Maple Leafs. And we've got Steel Wheels for the Anaheim Ducks. Nice looking card. 30 of 99, Max Jones for the Ducks. It's a metal card too. Nice looking card. I didn't open much of this credential stuff because I was away at that point, so I don't know much about it, but nice hit for Rob. Beautiful. We've got Brady Keeper for the Florida Panthers. That's a serial filler, so I'll go in the insert thing. We got a nice one. Acetate, 027 of 299 for the Columbus Blue Jackets. There you go, Brett. Nice hit, buddy. Alexander Texier. Nice looking card for the Blue Jackets. Got an auto yet? I think you're supposed to get an auto, aren't you? It's supposed to get an auto, I think. We've got for the Detroit Red Wings rookie science Taro Hirose. And there's our auto. It's not the right devil, but it is a devil. 5 of 25, Nathan Bastian. 5 of 25 for the Devils. Nice hit for Dale again. Pretty much a nice Devils box there. 5 of 25 on that one. Nice hit. Congrats to Dale. It was worth the wait, Dale. Worth the wait. All right, we'll do ice next. Box number 081. Just 1 second, guys. I gotta grab something. posted up a new 5-box mixer random teams, guys. $45 a spot. It's all 1920 stuff, more of a higher end stuff with ultimate, premier, stature, ingrained, and a box of SPA. That's $45 a spot, so feel free to join that as well. Got a hit draft as well for Leaf. There's a few spots left in that, so if anybody's interested, give me a holler. We got Anaheim Ducks orange, Ryan Getzlaf, and Trent Federic for the Boston Bruins, a rookie jersey. We got Marc-Andre Fleury green for the Vegas Golden Knights. And Mr. Texier again, 273 of 399. Exquisite rookie for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Alexander Texier. Miro Heiskanen for the Dallas Stars, and we got a nice hit for the Arizona Coyotes. Gorgeous. Barrett Hayton, numbered 042 of 299 for the Arizona Coyotes. There you go, Kyle. PC hit for you as well, bud. PC hit. We got Eric Stahl green for the Minnesota Wild, and a Rhett Gardner for the Dallas Stars. Sorry, that is a serial number spot, so it's going to go to the 3 spot, 103 of 999. Let's put that on a white thing so it's easier to see there. 103. 3 spot, I believe, is David. Congrats. That is going to you. David Dana Smith took the 3 spot. Gets the Rhett Gardner as well. And final pack. Final pack is a Johnny Gaudreau green for the Flames and for the Leafs. Nice hit. Ilya Mikheyev for the Toronto Maple Leafs. 180 of 249. Nice hit for Jeremy and the Leafs. Won those in a mini. Congrats to and now we go on to the 2 SPA boxes. 613.
Yeah, pretty much. Exactly it.
Yeah, in there. I have all the sizes. What size?
I just want to put 3 cards in.
There's 108s here. Alright, sorry about that, guys. Just had to get a top load of Chris.
Hi, everyone.
Oh, yeah, you have cereal. Cereal, yeah. Yeah. right, Miro Heiskanen for the Dallas Stars. Why do I keep saying Detroit? This will go into the lots that I'll make up for the Bruin numbers. Oh yeah, the Bruin is numbered. Thank you very much, Rob. The Bruin is in the serial number filler, so it's going to the 7 spot, which I think is Daryl. Yes, 247 going to Daryl. Thank you very much, Rob. Sorry guys, my brain's not awake yet this morning. I was up so early. Sidney Crosby for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Pittsburgh Penguins is in the serial filler as well. Oh, old school. Shane Corson, sign of the times 90s for the Montreal Canadiens, and Mr. Johnny Ginter. Nice hit. Put that up on a stand for now. I think those are pretty short printed if I'm not mistaken. We've got for the New York Rangers red, Jacob Trouba. And for the Edmonton Oilers, 913 of 999, Joakim Nygard. Alex Ovechkin, Spectrum FX for the Washington Capitals. Washington is part of the serial filler, so that will go in I'll make a couple different insert lots and random them off, like I said, in the filler. Igor Shesterkin, nice hit for the New York Rangers. Future Watch level 2, very nice hit as well for Johnny and the Rangers. We've got Tyler Toffoli update for the Vancouver Canucks. We got Adam Brooks for the Toronto Maple Leafs, the young gun. Ben Bishop for the Dallas Stars, red. Authentic Moments, Sidney Crosby for the Pittsburgh Penguins. That will go in the serial filler along with Ben Bishop. Cale Yarncrook for the Nashville Predators, going to Dale. We've got Jesker Kotkaniemi for the Montreal Canadiens, SP Essentials. We've got for the Nashville Predators, Rem Pitlick, going to Dale. 853 of 999, Rem Pitlick for the Nashville Predators. Steven Stamkos for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Authentic Moments. Matthew Tkachuk, SB Essentials for the Calgary Flames, Serial Filler. Jack Eichel for the Buffalo Sabres, red. Scott. We've got Authentic Moments, Jack Hughes for the New Jersey Devils. And our final pack of the box is a Devin Dubnyk for the Minnesota Wild, All-Star. We have 209, box number 5 of the break, last box. Don't have hits, I hope you get some here. Jack Eichel, SB Essentials for the Buffalo Sabres. We got a patch, guys. We got a patch right here. Connor Brown for the Ottawa Senators. PK Subban for the New Jersey Devils, red. Yeah. Brady Tkachuk, Spectrum FX for the Ottawa Senators. Just this 5-box mixer. We got Jesper Bodqvist for the New Jersey Devils. Spectrum FX level 1. Justin Falk update for the St. Louis Blues. Henrik Lundqvist for the New York Rangers, red. Sidney Crosby for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Authentic Moments. We got Adam Werner for the Colorado Avalanche, Young Gun. Braden Holtby for the Washington Capitals. John Carlson for the Washington Capitals, SB Essentials. Both of those will be random to the serial filler. We've got a nice hit for Columbus. Columbus doing well in this break. 345 of 999. Emil Bemstrom.
This is all next up. Take over with you, alright?
Yeah.
How many crates do you got going on there?
I'm almost done this one. I'm almost done this one. 5 more packs. Authentic winner Jacques Lemaire lock for the Montreal Canadiens. Jonathan Drouin for the Montreal Canadiens. Red. Authentic Moments Jack Hughes for the New Jersey Devils. Tristan Jarry for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Update base. And final pack before we show the patch is a John Gibson for the Anaheim Ducks SB Essentials. All right. Holy shit. Look at this. Cale Makar, 3-color. Rookie
Colorado,
patch
right?
auto. No, Johnny does. 003 of 100.
Who has Colorado?
Johnny.
Johnny. Nice.
That's huge.
He's not watching, but congrats, Johnny.
That is huge. I'm gonna go get a 1-touch for that. Wow, what an end to the break. There you go, guys. The serial number filler, guys. I will random those serial number things off to the thing. I'll be right back.
Long day looking after your kids every week. Just ended with the age-old question, what's for dinner? Luckily, there's an answer you can feel good about. Wendy's Kids Meals are just $2.99. Made with 100% Canadian beef and all white seasoned chicken. They'll love the taste. You'll love the quality. And you got a dinner covered. At least until tomorrow night. Get a $2.99 Wendy's Kids Meal for them and get the new barbecue and bacon chicken sandwich for yourself. I've been to Wendy's for a limited time only. Taxes extra.
And there it is, guys. Huge card. 3-color. Beautiful patch. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There you have it, guys. Thank you very much for joining and filling. We will be back with more breaks later. Peace.